Join me as I explore why we feel tired so quickly and reveal the key factors draining our energy, feeling drained before day's end, wondering where your energy went. It may not be age or effort. Small, harmless daily habits could quietly sap your stamina. Stay tuned as we reveal the habits that drain your energy. Take action, identify and break these habits now to reclaim your vitality. First on our list are two main culprits, smoking and excess alcohol. A cigarette or a nightly glass of wine may seem relaxing, but both drain your physical endurance. Smoking harms your lungs, reducing their capacity and limiting oxygen to your muscles and brain. This leaves you breathless and tired after minor exertion. Alcohol may make you drowsy, but it disrupts the deep restorative sleep your body needs to recover. It also dehydrates you and hampers cellular energy. Instead of a cigarette or drink, choose healthier relievers. Take a brisk 15-minute walk or try 5 minutes of deep breathing. These habits offer immediate relaxation and over time boost your stamina. Next, let's address an invisible energy vampire, chronic stress and mental fatigue. In our fast-paced world, being constantly on is now the norm, but caffeine, like espresso, tires. Even with worried, anxious, or overloaded, your body stays locked. Fight or flight. This floods your system with cortisol, eventually leading to adrenal fatigue, exhaustion, and burnout. Mental stamina fuels physical stamina. When your mind tires, your body does too. To fight this, schedule purposeful mental breaks. At lunch, sit in silence, listen to soothing music, or practice mindfulness instead of scrolling on your phone. Use journaling to unload racing thoughts before bed. Manage your mental load to preserve energy and stay energized through your day. Another critical factor is a poor sleep routine. Key takeaways: 1. Treat sleep as a necessity, not a luxury. 2. Both quality and consistency matter. 3. Changing your sleep and wake times disrupts your circadian rhythm and energy levels. For blue light before bed makes sleep harder. Simple steps: commit to 7-9 hours of sleep, have a set bedtime and wake up time, and create a screen-free wind down hour. Try reading, bathing, or stretching before bed to recharge for the next day. Finally, let's address the overconsumption of caffeine and energy drinks. It seems counterintuitive, right? You reach for coffee or an energy drink to get a boost, but relying on them too heavily creates a vicious cycle of energy spikes and crashes. These stimulants work by blocking adenosine, the brain chemical that makes you feel tired. While this provides a temporary jolt, your body responds by creating more adenosine receptors. This means you need more and more caffeine just to feel normal, and when the effect wears off, the resulting crash is more severe than your initial tiredness. This dependency can lead to adrenal fatigue, anxiety, and disrupted sleep patterns, ultimately depleting your natural stamina. Break the cycle. Start by drinking a large glass of water the next time you feel tired. As dehydration is a common cause of fatigue, opt for a snack with protein and complex carbs, like an apple with almond butter, for lasting energy. Begin reducing caffeine gradually to reset your body's energy balance and build real stamina. Thank you for watching. Please like and share for more.